In pharmaceutical clinical trials, temperature-sensitive products face a tough challenge. A long, complex supply chain with many handovers. In the end, you are left with a complex puzzle of scattered data, inconsistent temperature records, and, even worse, missing information. So how can you be sure the product is still safe to use? Meet the Smart Electronic Indicator, LIBERO ITS. A solution that provides quality assurance at the unit level. Passive loggers have several drawbacks. They're large and thick. They only last 1 year. And they're too expensive. LIBERO ITS offers advanced indicator functionality, and is reduced to the max. It's slim and compact enough to be applied directly to clinical kits or sales units. Robust enough to stay with the product throughout its entire lifecycle. Smart enough to calculate and track its individual stability budget. And best of all, it's simple to use, with clear go or no-go status you can trust. But how does it work? LIBERO ITS comes pre-configured with the product stability budget. Just break the tab to activate it and stick it directly onto the kit or sales unit. It stays there for the entire product life. Inside, a calibrated sensor monitors temperature and detects any deviation. And best of all, it continuously calculates the remaining stability budget, directly inside the device. No need for external systems. No calculation efforts. Just clear, reliable insight at a glance. With just the push of the readout button, you can check whether the medications are still safe. LED lights, green or red, instantly indicate their status. Green means they're safe, red means action is needed.